How do I watch this Amazon Prime? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can solve the how do I watch this issue on Amazon Prime. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to actually watch Amazon Prime, and then whenever you're trying to watch, it says how do I watch this. You're trying to subscribe, but then there is no option to subscribe. Now the simple thing is that Amazon actually restricted the ability, especially for iOS users, to pay from the app. So which means that if you want to watch Amazon, you have to subscribe, and to subscribe you have to use your browser. So if you're using your iOS, you can open Safari browser, or you can just open up your any browser that you use and then go to primevideo.com. Once you go to primevideo.com, you can directly log into your account, or you just tap on the option known as start your free trial option, log into your account, and after that go ahead and then fill in the details to subscribe to Amazon Prime. Because the problem is not really a problem, all it is saying is that if you want to watch it, you have to subscribe, and to subscribe you can't use the app, but you have to use the website. So hope this video helped you guys as to how you can solve the how do I watch this on Amazon Prime. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.